Earlier this week, we had a landfalling tropical storm in Gordon, that near the Mississippi and Alabama line. We've had some very gusty winds, even some very heavy rainfall, and one known fatality with that. A little boy was killed after a tree fell on a mobile home. But of course, we're going to be watching the remnants of Gordon continue to lift north through the midsection of the nation into the Ohio Valley. We'll kind of be on the southern edge of that. But in the Atlantic Basin, we're watching Florence and, of course, very active weather in the tropics. So out in the central Atlantic, we have Florence, which 2 days ago was a Category 4 storm, has dropped down to tropical storm status. But don't let that fool you, because National Hurricane Center does suggest that this is going to be gaining hurricane strength again, maybe up to Category 3 Tuesday to Wednesday of next week. Notice the track on that gets very close to the eastern seaboard here, so we'll have to watch that very, very closely. And then east and southeast of that, two other waves rolling off of the western tip of Africa that have a 90% chance of tropic formation over the next 5 days. So just note that hurricane season is really starting to pick up here with some great intensity. This is what it'll feel like out there today in the mid to upper 90s across most of the southeast. As I mentioned, most of our heavy rainfall associated with the remnants of Gordon off to the north, where flash flood watches have been posted. Could see some 3 to 5+ inch tallies up into the Ohio Valley. There'll be pockets of heavy rain kind of developing here and there across the region over the next few days. But as I mentioned today, pretty warm and sticky in the region.